Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on Hibernate framework. Hibernate is an open-source object relational mapping tool for the Java programming language. It provides a framework for mapping an object-oriented domain model to a traditional relational database. In this tutorial, we will go over the basics of Hibernate framework and how it can be used to simplify database interactions in Java applications. To get started, make sure you have the Hibernate framework and its dependencies installed. Next, we will create a Hibernate configuration file. This file contains the database connection details and other configuration settings. Here is an example configuration file. Now that we have our configuration file set up, here is an example Java class that uses Hibernate to insert a new record into a table. As you can see, Hibernate simplifies the database interaction process by allowing us to work. In conclusion, Hibernate is a powerful framework for simplifying database interactions in Java applications. It allows us to work with Java objects instead of SQL queries, making code easier to write and maintain. Thanks for watching and happy coding!